Hello friends, my name is John Mark Shaw. Today I spent some time with a hedge fund CEO, a branding and marketing firm CEO, a single mom trying to be a better parent, a single man looking for his partner in life, trying to lose some weight. And all of those people have one thing in common, that they know that the most important way to move from where you are to where you want to be is through developing a vision. Start with the end in sight. Henry Ford said that obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off of the goal, off of the prize. There's a famous adage that says, "No wind is favorable to the sailor with no destination in mind." And so the most important thing for us, the place to start when we are developing a path to get from where we are to a life that we love living, is to develop a crystal clear vision of what we would love. Most people think, I can't think about what I would love because I can only think about what's practical, what's reasonable, what can I see all the steps from here to there in order to achieve. But we want to start coming from a new energy, tuning into our inner guidance system, the part of us that's connected to the ever upward spiral of becoming of this universe, the part of us that wants to come alive, that wants to be more, to live more, to express more of who we are, more into the world. The part of us that wants more life, more love, more money, more abundance, more happiness, more success. And the first step is to develop a crystal clear vision so that when we are navigating the inevitable obstacles of life, taking one step at a time, when we come across an obstacle, rather than, as Henry Ford said, focusing on that obstacle, we redirect our attention to the vision. And then through what I call the physics of transformation that I've learned from many teachers, but most especially my beloved teacher, Mary Morrissey, we step into that vision as if it's happening now. You use the mental faculty of your imagination. And you, like getting into a time machine, pretend that you are living that life that you would love. You have the partner. We have a little honking going on. You have the partner, you've lost the weight, your business has grown, you've gotten the clients, you've brought in the investors, you've moved to the home that you would love to move in. All of those things. Even the obstacle of the truck that's barking, that's honking in the middle of this video. And you begin to redirect the part of your brain that determines what you focus, called the reticular activating system. And instead of focusing on the obstacle, you focus on the vision. And from that connection to your vision and putting it on as if it's happening now, like the wonderful teacher Wayne Dyer said, feeling the feeling of the wish fulfilled. When you put that on, I am so happy and grateful now that I'm at the right weight that I've always loved. I have the partner, the business, the money, the success, the beautiful home. When you see that and feel that as if it's happening now, you will download guidance from your inner guidance system, from your intuition. The intuition is what Einstein called, that was the precious gift. That's supposed to be the leader, more important than our rational mind, our connection to universal intelligence. And when you download an idea from the state of being connected to the life that you would love living, connected to your vision, it will be a vibrational match to the life that you would love. And it will be a step that will move you in the direction of your dream. As Thoreau said, if we advance confidently in the direction of our dream, we will begin to meet with the success unexpected in common hours. So what would you love? What is your vision for your business? What is your vision for your relationships, for the amount of money you'd love to have, for your fitness, for your spiritual well-being, your emotional well-being? For the family you'd love to have, for the home that you would love to have? What is your vision? And how can you focus on that vision on a daily basis? Put yourself in the state of feeling the feeling of the wish fulfilled and download the guidance to get there. In the comment below, I will be placing a link for my upcoming vision workshop next Thursday, October 18th. In it, we will develop your vision for the life that you would love living, and we will step into it as if it's happening now. And you will download guidance from your inner guidance system as to how to move in the direction of your dream, for how to move from where you are to where you would absolutely love to be. And it is my honor and privilege to serve you in that way. And if you're interested in a complimentary coaching strategy session, please send me an email. My email is below, john@johnmarkshaw.com. I can't wait to see you at the workshop, and I can't wait to connect with you and help you design and live a life that you absolutely love living. Thank you so much.